either some post online, some videos, or even in other social media platform like yung mga podcast kapag ka naaano sila, nai-interview sila. Sige, we disagree to each other. O, sige, galit tayong lahat kay President Bongbong Marcos. To a certain degree, we can disagree pagkilos sa gas, mali pala, sa flood control issue. We can also disagree, okay, na marami siyang sinabi last year na hindi naman natupad. And we can also disagree na hindi siya yung perfect na presidente. But one thing for sure, I will not agree in any circumstance, in any way, shape, or form. Pag sinabi mo na mamatay ang Pangulo, maaksidente ang Pangulo, or any of some sort same as those statements. Kasi at the end of the day, we're only talking about policies. We're not talking about the person. Tandaan niyo po, Bongbong Marcos, inelect yan ng majority of Filipino people. Siya po ay nagre-represent ng opisina ng presidente, hindi po siya private citizen. So in short, whatever he is doing it in the capacity of being a president. Sabi ni Ma'am Vita dito, kasi may stangan sila, kaya Pangulo, kaya binabalik lang namin. Yes, totoo yan. At the end of the day, pwede naman tayong mag-disagree sa lahat ng opinion natin eh. Pwede mo sagutin lahat ng banat sa ating Pangulo. Pero sabi ko nga, pag dumating sa punto that you are threatening the life of the president, that's it. That's the end of it. I personally will cancel you and call you out in this channel. Yun lang naman yun eh. Kasi that's unfair. Gano'n na lang ba natin pinapatay ang tamang diskusyon sa social media? Kailangan ba kapagka meron tayong kadebate or ah, um, kasalungat ng opinyon or idea sa politika, ang huli or una mong sasabihin is mawala ito sa mundong ibabaw? Eh, paano kung mangyari 'yun, 'di ba? That's it. Ibig sabihin bawal bawal 'di ba bawal na makipag-disagree sa'yo, bawal na magkaroon ng ibang opinyon. Kasi ako po, there are multiple times I agree with President Bongbong Marcos with his policy, and there are multiple times I also disagree with his policies. The same goes at Vice President Duterte. There are times that she says something uh, hindi ko nagugustuhan, and there are multiple times na something na pag narinig ko galing sa kanya, nagugustuhan ko. 'Di ba? Pero it doesn't mean that I'll attack the person. I'll attack her as nung nagsalita si Caramel Madriaga. And guys, let's be clear. Okay? Let's be clear about this. Caramel Madriaga is up until now 50-50 pagdating sa mga statement at evidence na inilabas niya sa Kamara dito sa Committee on Justice. Why? Kasi po ito po tayo ko kay Caramel. Wala pa pong verification at hindi pa po na-verify lahat ng mga sinabi niya sa affidavit niya up until, anong sabi ko, lumabas yung mga cellphone na nasa, I think PNP or RTC court para ilabas ito para mag-corroborate doon sa sinasabi niya. Pero I'm always telling this to everyone. There is no point for me, and this is my opinion, to believe on him unless it is proven.
Ako si Professor Roland Simbulan at ito ang Philcast kung saan ang katotohanan ay walang takot na sinasabi. Like, share, and subscribe na.